Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find direct messages in Google Chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to open it from your computer, you need to go to Google and then you're going to open up the Google Chat from here using the Google Apps menu. And here you can open up the Google Chat. But if you want to open it from your mobile phone, you need to download Google Chat application, and then you can find the direct messages there. Okay, here I'm just going to open up the Google Chat, and if we want to find the direct messages, we just need to go to this menu, and this is the direct messages, and it will be displayed here. And if you want to filter the unread messages, just activate this menu, and then the unread messages will appear. But as you can see that there is no new messages, so I'm just going to turn it off again. Okay, and these are my direct messages in a Google Chat. Okay guys, and that's all the way to find direct messages in Google Chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.